So I'm about ready to get started. It's been quite a while trying to get this thing. I did order one from another company and it got lost in the mail. And finally I got this one here. It's called the Detective Famous Agency. And there were a bunch of different varieties that you can get of these things. And I thought I'd start off by doing an unboxing here, just to kind of get a look at what's inside, and then I'll videotape as we go along. So here's what I got so far. There's an awful lot of little pieces. It's even got some lighting inside of it. And of course there's all of these things. There's some printed material. I saw from the instruction booklet online that these actually get folded up and become books to show you the kind of detail and the 3D effect that you get in this thing. Here's the instructions. It's actually a booklet, as you can see from this here. So it has quite a bit of stuff that I'll have to go through to get this thing together. Pages of stuff, lots of little items to put together that ultimately end up getting put inside of the bookshelf thing that I'll end up with, as you can see from all of this. A lot of the items are in this packet here. Let me open this up and we'll take a look at some of it. A lot of it's basically like a wood or some kind of cardboard or something. So it's not paper by any means. It looks like it's wood. So it's pretty sturdy when you get it done. What I need to find out about yet is what do I have to do for glue and that sort of thing. You can see some of the pieces here. You know, just taking a quick look here at some of them. I guess this is 2 layers of stuff. So I'll be punching out a lot of stuff and putting it all together here over the coming weeks and days. It's going to take me a while, but I hope to put together some sort of video on what's involved in all of this. So for now, I just thought I'd kind of do a little bit of an introduction on just what we have here. As you can see, it's done. I've got everything all put together. It was a very well put together kit. Everything was well labeled and so on. There were a few tricky spots in there. However, with a little bit of patience and some glue, I was able to get it all together. So thanks for watching, everybody. Catch you on the next one.